Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about only a brief introduction about the differential equation, and the Race Academy family is going to bring about the series of differential equation. That means the different part differential equation, and in that whole series, and we're gonna complete the whole first order differential equation, second order differential equation, and the higher order differential equation, which are very important for bachelor level undergraduate program, just like the engineering, BTech, BSc, and for any course where the mathematics is required. And for this, the you have to learn about the what is the differential equation. And what is the differential equation? The first thing is, what is differential equation? What is this? This is the nothing. I'm not going to write a whole half a page of the explanation and the copying from the other book and writing that, not that all the bullshit. And I'm only going to say you about the what kind of equation we call it them as a differential equation. For this, the equation must be in the form of one or more derivative. That means if the equation, any equation, is in the form of the one or more derivative. That means let's take one example. That means the dy by dx, this is the first derivative, and we call this is a y prime. We call is, and the another is the d square x upon y upon the dx square. We call this is a y dash. Look at this, is here is the 2, and we call is a y dash. And for this types of equation, if the equation is in the form of, if the equation is in the form of the y dash plus certain constant and y double dash plus again certain constant 2, constant 1, and the y triple dash equals to 0. If the equation is in this form, and we call them is a differential equation. Look at this is the differential equation. And the here another example is the for y and x, for y and x, and if the equation is given y equals to 4x square plus 3x. In this equation, look at here, this y is a dependent variable, and this x is a independent variable. How would I call this x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable? Because the value of the y totally depend on the input of the x, and how much we put the x, and that differ the value of the y. This is why this is the x and y are defined, and this can be written as differentiation dy by dx. With respect to x, we got the, on derivating, on doing the certain derivation in this equation, we get the 8x plus 3. Look at this. And this y is a dependent variable. We call this is a dependent variable, and this x is a independent variable. Only this is all about the differential equation, not more. And this is the only definition about the differential equation. Now, what is the importance of the differential equation in the daily life? Why we are reading this? It is same as the a plus b whole square. Does it have any significance in the daily life? Absolutely yes, because the importance of the differential equation, we do not the differential equation is a DE. Look at this. Important of the differential equation. First thing is the in this engineering. If you are doing any engineering, and same as the medical field, and I'll tell the how. And in economics, economics, and allied about the physics. Physics is everything. Everywhere it is the most important. Look at this. In engineering, if you are if you have to solve any complex problem just like this, any type of decay problem, the if you want to make those sometimes a complex design, and you have to use the at this condition you have to formulate the certain types of a model, how that system work. For this you need the differential equation, just like in the medicine. Look at this, and if you want to find the death rate and how the specimen of the bacteria are in the certain patient, and how much doses should we given to kill the bacteria for such type of problem, for exponential decay problem, and the exponential and the logarithmic decay and the increment problem in the medicine, that means the exponential form. And in the economics, if you are this is same as the economics and the population, and how the population are growing, and if the population are growing in such a rate, and how how did that affect on the food, and what is that effect on the money, like this. And we have to formulate the model and the physics. Look at this, and in the physics you can make them just in the tank. In the tank here is a salt plus water, and after the certain period of the time, how much salt will be in this bucket. How can you say that? For this type of problem we need to formulate that certain types of a model, and then we go on the differentiation. That's all. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video. This is only an introduction part, and join us in the Race Academy family. Join us in the Race Academy family, and from the next session we'll make the complete video, just like the solving the variable separation, first order differential equation, second order differential equation, and then after that, then so on. Okay, bye bye, see you next video.